Hi, I'm Nicky from Fine and Country Leamington Spa, and I'm here with your June market update. So as we enter the summer months and the likelihood of foreign summer holidays being off the cards this year, we are expecting the housing market boom to continue. This is despite the fact that the stamp duty holiday is reducing at the end of the month and then coming to an end in September. Nationwide have reported that the stamp duty holiday wasn't the only reason we were seeing this surge in the property market. They found that 68% of homeowners either moving or considering moving would have been doing so regardless of the stamp duty incentives. This in itself is extremely encouraging for the months ahead. Rightmove have also reported that the housing market demand is 52% higher in April 21 compared to April 19. Despite this increased demand, stock is still very low. The supply shortage we are noticing is particularly for family homes with 3 or more bedrooms. Available stock has been down 50% when comparing April 21 to April 19. Zoopla have actually estimated that the total number of sales that will complete in 2021 will be 1.52 million. This will be one of the busiest sales markets since the global financial crisis and one of the top 10 most active years since 1959, which I'm sure you would agree wouldn't have been the predictions at the beginning of the pandemic. The percentage change in the average price in the West Midlands is around 10% higher than when compared with the previous 12 months, and the time to sell has continued to decrease. So, as I've previously mentioned, stock is low. Buyers and estate agents are hoping for an increase in market appraisals and new listings in the coming weeks to supply the demand that we're currently seeing. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are contemplating a move, it's safe to say we would love to hear from you.